Today we attended the National Honor Society State Summit in Pennsylvania.
I think the State Summit is a great experience. It's a day where you just kind of absorb a lot of leadership building and many skills that are presented to you in a really fun, engaging way.
So we brought 15 students down today. We saw that this was the first summit in Pennsylvania.
Today I brought 34 students with me from grades 7 through 12.
Seeing the students interact just made me really proud and really excited. They're motivated to make a difference.
Today I had the opportunity to talk to a bunch of different students from different schools.
My entire school was kind of separated, so it gave us really a push to go and talk to new people and meet new people and network.
The summit definitely encourages communication with others, and it opens and widens your horizon so that you can see other situations that you're not used to.
It's really eye-opening to see everyone else's perspective, to realize that there are other people's opinions that you might not have thought of before.
I got to learn a lot from a lot of different people, and there are a lot of techniques that I learned from other students.
I learned that it's not just about the one person and getting the hours, it's more about service and what you can do for people, and that was really the most important thing.
The students here today are taking on some really big issues. They express a wisdom beyond their years.
Our students are very aware of what is needed in our society today.
I can't wait to see the caucus breakout sessions because I think it's going to be really interesting to see what they discussed behind closed doors.
The caucus experience was fun. You got to talk about ideas from your own community and see what you could do to help.
It was pretty fun because we got to make our own idea and program.
We were assigned an educational idea to develop a new idea that would benefit our community.
The tasks were specific to what we had done previously in the day in our other workshops. In each specific area, we had our own chance to shine.
It taught me how to solve a problem in a very short amount of time, and with people that I had never known before.
It just gave me a lot of hope because people always talk about all the things that are going wrong in the world, but there's also a lot that's going right and a lot of people who want to make a positive change.
The advisor sessions were huge because we were able to talk with other advisors to see what kind of projects they do, how do they run induction.
I participated in the advisory classes. We had a really wonderful session. It was good. I have a colleague who's just starting, and I've been doing it for a few years, and we were both able to get something a little bit different out of it.
I just think today was a wonderful experience for everyone involved. I think that the students met a lot of great people, and they really are excited to go back to school and put into action what they've been working on today.
The things that I learned today I'm going to take back to my National Honor Society chapter and really focus on connecting more with our members, especially as a member of our leadership team. Anyone can make a difference, no matter who they are, where they're from.
We can be a better NHS chapter because of what we learned today, and everybody, as their membership stands, should advocate for what they believe in.